it's a damn cold day in Vancouver. I think we should find something warmer. I was flipping through some old footage yesterday and found a trip from Cabo. Zoe and I went there after we'd been dating just about a year with my family, actually. I was probably about 15 pounds lighter at the time. It was a good time to be alive. It was a great trip though. We went hiking, we went swam with some whale sharks, we went ziplining in the dry forest. It was awesome. So today I thought I'd put a little video together from that trip. Enjoy.
It's amazing the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist, but you have got me on your hit list. And you're conspiring, girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience. Now I'm unresponsive. Oh, but call your mama, tell her you love her. That's my bad boy. Run through the fire, I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. Can feel the floor underneath our feet. Fire shots through my chest as you watch me bleed. Every kick, drum hit is a symphony. Every brush of your curves is the air I breathe. You speak, I am listening. Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening. Slow-mo, pull me into the light, the light. There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving in to the fright, the fright. Run through the fire, I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. One heart to survive when one just breaks. One slow suicide while one just takes and takes. One choice for the good of you, but not the one you make. But one worth dying for if you saw her shake, shake, shake. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are glistening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. That's my bad fire. Run through the fire, out the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. Run through the fire, out the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Sis, I